How many days are there in 1 week? 5, 7, 10 or 4? And the correct answer is 7. 1 week have 7 days. Which of the animal is called king of jungle? A. Tiger, B. Elephant, C. Lion, D. Giraffe. And the correct answer is C. Lion. Lion is called king of jungle. How many legs does a spider have? A. 4, B. 6, C. 10, D. 8. Correct answer is 8. A spider have 8 legs. What we get from cow? A. Sugarcane juice, B. Milk, C. Fruity. And the correct answer is B. Milk. We get milk from cow. Which of the following is not a rainbow color? A. Red, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Black. And the correct answer is D. Black. Black is not a rainbow color. Which of the following is not a fruit? A. Apple, B. Banana, C. Carrot, D. Dragon fruit. And the correct answer is C. Carrot. Carrot is not a fruit, it is a vegetable. Which animal give us wool for winter clothes? A. Sheep, B. Horse, C. Yak. And the correct answer is A. Sheep. Sheep provide us wool for winter clothes. Which is not a sense organ? A. Ears, B. Nose, C. Eyes, and D. Teeth. And the correct answer is D. Teeth. Teeth are not a part of sense organ. How many colors are there in traffic signal? A. 3, B. 6, C. 2, and D. 5. And the correct answer is 3. Traffic signal have 3 colors. How many wheels are there in a bus? A. 6, B. 4, C. 8, and D. 2. And the correct answer is B. 4. There are 4 wheels in a bus. Dear kids and parents, if you like this video, please like, share this video and subscribe my channel, myshka'stinytv. Thank you.